Hey everyone, it's Melanie from melaniekaham.com and happy 2020. Today's video, I want to talk about my plans for 2020, what can you expect from this channel, and I need your help. First, let's talk about plans for 2020. First thing is, the first series I have planned is a Learn to Sew series. So, did you get a sewing machine for Christmas, or do you want a sewing machine? Is that one of your goals for 2020 to learn how to sew? So I'm gonna have a series that's gonna go through some of the basics of like learning the parts of your machine, how to thread your machine, basics on how to use. I'm gonna pull out my very basic machine that might be similar to yours, and we're gonna walk through all those steps. Plus, I'm gonna do several really easy tutorials for you guys that are quick, simple, that you can use. That's my favorite thing when I'm teaching beginners, is to make something that's useful for you guys, because then you're more apt to get excited and try to make more things. So that's the first thing. The second series I have planned, which is going to be a little bit later, more like early spring, is Your Second Quilt. Your First Quilt series has gone crazy here on YouTube, and so I want to give you guys your second quilt. So kind of what's maybe the next one you could do after you complete that one. So I'm going to also do that. Now here's where I need your help. I want to know, what are your goals for 2020? What are your plans? What would you like to see from this channel? I've been doing this since 2011. So we're coming on 9 years that I've been on YouTube, and I want to make sure that I'm providing you guys with the best content, the best value, what you want to see. So do you want to see some more like product review videos, tips and tricks, maybe inspiration, color theory, some of those more like higher level that applies to all different kinds of crafts, more crochet tutorials, what kinds? So how can you help? Just by leaving a comment down below. Super easy. I'm not going to make you jump through a bunch of hoops, but I really want to hear what you guys want to see. I want to hear what you're struggling with. Even if I've never made videos on that kind of craft before, put them down there. You never know. I love embroidery, crochet, sewing, quilting. I have a silhouette, and I've been playing around with maybe doing some videos with my silhouette cutting machine with some fabric related projects. I've got the long arm that I'm going to be doing videos on this year. So there are so many things, and I just want to make sure that I'm narrowing it down and making what you guys want to see, what's helpful for you. So just whatever you think of, throw it down there. I'm up in my game this year. 2020 is the year. We're gonna take this channel to new heights. I'm so excited. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling healthy. I'm feeling ready to rock 2020. I hope you are too. And helping me with those comments down below are going to be so crucial to making sure that this channel is the best that it can be for you guys. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super excited about 2020 and the possibilities of this year. Join the ride with me. If you would like to sign up for my newsletter, which the link will be down below. Once a week emails, I'm gonna be sharing some different things over on my email newsletter. That's gonna also be where you can see new videos, new blog posts, new projects, quilt-alongs, crochet-alongs, any of those things that I'm doing this year. That is gonna be a great place to get notified right into your inbox. You can also hit the bell for the notifications here on YouTube. Don't forget to give this video a like, thumbs up, and yeah, let's rock 2020. Bye.